Welcome to this tutorial on how to attempt a question in this test interface effectively. Let's go step by step. This is your question screen. If the question is statement-based or pair-based, you'll find an action button at the end of each row. For example, in this current question, it is pair-based with 3 columns. Simply swipe to view all columns. At the end of each row, you'll notice 2 buttons, right and wrong. Make it a habit to mark each statement or pair as right or wrong. Once you've marked the statements, start eliminating incorrect options. Just click on the cross mark at the end of each option to remove it. This process helps you narrow down your choices and boosts your confidence. It reduces mistakes, helps you stay calm in tricky questions, and leads you closer to the correct answer. Now, let's move to the most important part, strategy selection. But before that, if you forget anything, just press the button to get all instructions again. You'll see 6 buttons for strategy selection. Use them wisely. 100% sure. Select this when you're absolutely certain it's correct. Logic play. Use elimination or reasoning to solve the question. Click this to showcase your logical thinking. Intuition hit. Trusting your gut instinct. Choose this when you feel the answer is within reach, even if not fully sure. Blind fire. Taking a wild guess. Use this when you have no clue but want to take a chance. Fear-driven skip. Hesitant to take the risk. This button helps you decide whether to play it safe or take the plunge. No marks are deducted for selecting this option. Skip. Not confident about the question? Just skip it and move to the next one. Toppers emphasize that strategy selection is crucial for post-test analysis, which is the secret to improving your accuracy and performance. Selecting a strategy is mandatory for submitting your answer, so don't skip this step. Many toppers recommend using these features and analyzing your decisions during post-test reviews. This post-analysis is key to improving accuracy in the final exam. Once done, press the next button to move on to the next question. Stick to this strategy, and you'll notice significant improvement in your performance. Now, remember this important rule: do not exit the app during the test. If you exit or open another app, your attempt will be automatically submitted, and you won't get a second chance to reattempt. You also have an option to switch the question language to Hindi or English by clicking the language switch button on the screen. In the next question, you'll see it is a 3 statements based question. You need to mark each statement as right or wrong, parallelly eliminate incorrect options, and then select your strategy before pressing next. If you have any doubts about the question, press the flag button to submit your query. Finally, to submit the full test, go to the last question. Scroll down, press the save button for your last answer, and then hit submit. Once submitted, you cannot change any answers. After submission, wait for the test to end for your result. Toppers agree. These habits of marking statements, eliminating options, and reviewing your strategies during post-analysis can make a huge difference in your final exam performance.